Today I will show you the complete design of colorful Mandela art and how to fill the color very easily and with the advanced technique in Adobe Illustrator. Here now I am creating one new artboard document with the size of 20 centimeter width and height. Press Ctrl R to get the ruler bar. Drag one ruler guide. Select the guide and now go to the alignment menu in the Illustrator properties panel. Right click on the guide and go to transform and select the rotate options, and here I will put 15 degrees value and make one copy. For more copy and duplicate, press Ctrl D to take another guide with the same parameter. This is very important for Mandala design work to keep select on the target to select options on layer 2 and start to work. It is need to keep on active mode and it will show the guide and intersect points of guides. Start to draw a circle from intersect point. I will take the minimum width 0.25 point. Align the circle in the middle of the artboard. Select the circle and go to effect menu and transform, and here I have taken one copy and choose the option reflect X. Again go to effect menu and transform and rotate 30 degrees and 11 copies. 30 degree I have taken because here earlier I have made the reflect options I have chosen. Now I will work Mandala design entirely in the layout. This is very important thing that to make first the Mandala template. My template part is now over. Now I start to make the drawing part of Mandala design. First I draw one circle in the center of the artboard. First select align to artboard. Select the vertical and horizontal alignment menu tool and align into the center of the artboard. Take in one straight line. Follow the guide. See, it is very interesting. Whenever I will draw one element, as soon as it will replicating with another segments with the same alignment. 4 point I have taken. Drawn one curve line here. First I will make the entire drawing of path of the complete structure of Mandala artwork. Inside the flower petal I draw a small curve line and decorating with the small curved elements. I am drawing another curve line with pen tool. See, it has been replicated automatically in also another 23 segments as well. So here I need not require to draw elements further with other segments because this procedure I have been already fixed in the Mandala template artwork. Here also drawing another curve line, similarly also here and inside also. Here it's looking some blank spaces, so here I need to draw with suitable curve path to make it covered up and it's looking good. This way I have drawn the entire path drawing of Mandala. In the blank spaces wherever it's required I have filled with the appropriate tiny elements, filled with small curve path, small circle and straight line as well wherever it makes the suitable. This is very interesting part of Mandala design, whether you draw one element in any one of the segments, simultaneously it has been replicated automatically in the other all segments also. This is magic of Mandala template if you create it properly. This is very interesting part of the Mandala art work. Now if you make one part out of 24 parts, the 23 part will be taken automatically. In this way, I have drawn the entire curve line. After finishing the entire path drawing, then I will apply the width rule on the all path drawing and try to maintain the proportionate width and scale curve, and just follow how to make it. Go to width tool and apply the width rule on the drawing curve path. Here I will make expand the middle part of the curves of the edge of the drawing path like this. I am trying to find adjustment of the drawing utmost possible. Making some fine adjustment as well. I will add some more elements in the design to looking better and attractive, and in this way I complete the Mandala art. Now the line drawing part is merely over, and now please take a look how I will fill the color in the each small shapes. Make one duplicate layer of layer 2 and bring this layer under the layer 2. Layer 2 you treat as black curve line and fill all the colors in the layer 2 copy. Here you just take a look for making fill the color. Here it's required to make the complete shape of each particular block and need to make joint with the both endpoints of the shape path so that I can fill the color in the particular shape. I am taking the suitable colors from the color swatches. One thing you must follow: unnecessarily do not make extra block and fill the color with all the segments and blocks. You just choose only one segment among the 24 segments, because in Mandala drawing, whenever you fill the color in one particular shape, simultaneously it will be filled and replicate automatically with the other all subsequent shapes in 23 segments of circle. Make shapes and fill the appropriate color to looking good, and combination of colors. Adjust the combination of colors till it looks better and to feel attractive. Adjust the contrast with the matching colors so that it looks very attractive and colorful Mandala design. After finishing the entire drawing, select the entire curved drawing and go to object menu and select on expand appearances. Expand the fill and stroke again. Similarly, layer 2 also have done in the same way. Select the expand appearances and expand the fill and stroke also. Ungroup the elements of multiple times. Unless it's over, ungroup the entire design. Ungroup the object in multiple times in both the layers. Whenever you select the expand appearance, as soon as all the curve path will getting convert into the outline drawing path. Now delete the circle in the edge of the artboard. Thank you for watching this video.